first ever big ride, not actually a ride. I'm going to meet one of the senior members of Gods, Mr. Deepak. He's a good friend and a good mentor. उनके साथ IBW जाने का मौका मिला था. One of the luckiest days of my life. And आज उनके घर जा रहा हूँ. Hopefully, fingers crossed, I'll be able to meet his orange Busa that is going through some repair work, and his other collections of Harley and Bullet and all. Let's just see what the day holds for me. I'm on my bike, Tiger XRx, the road version. The first service नहीं हुई है. I have ridden it only about 100 kilometers. But yeah, superb bike. Smooth engine and excellent braking, as you saw. I have searched on YouTube and there are not many reviews about the bike in India. Well, I am pretty sure I am going to make different kind of videos that you see on YouTube about the XRX in India. I love Triumph. That inline 3 sound, the whistling noise, this marvelous. The throttle is so smooth. It actually at times I get afraid. कहीं झटका लगा तो throttle ना हिल जाए और बाइक के साथ साथ मैं ही ना उड़ जाऊं. But thanks to the gears, this biking brotherhood glove for city riding is amazing. The Viatara tank bag, amazing. Well, for now I'm about to touch the outer ring road, and yeah, अभी आपको साउंड अच्छा नहीं आ रहा होगा because I haven't got the mic attached. I have to puncture the case for the mic. I'll do it in this weekend. बहुत सारे चोमू मिलेंगे मेरे को रास्ते में जो बाइक देख के, सुपर बाइक देख के बीच में कट मारते हैं. But that is just how they are. ये देखो सुपरमैन, द फ्लैश, ये पकड़ा इंसान. ये भी क्या करेगा, GTC वाला भी कौन सा अकलमंद है. Give me a few minutes, I'll fill up the fuel and then I'll continue with the talk. Hold on. Petrol. ये देखो शी हल्क. हद है. ये हमारा फेमस काली माता मंदिर. राइट नाउ आई कैलकुलेटेड, दूसरी बार फ्यूल भरवा चुका हूँ. थोड़ा सा एवरेज कैलकुलेशन मैंने लगाया था. द बाइक इज गिविंग मी अ डिसेंट माइलेज ऑफ 20 kmpl. आई बिलीव दैट्स ओके फॉर नाउ. तो सेकेंड सर्विस के बाद जाके फाइनलाइज होता है. बट आई थिंक आई डोंट राइड रैशली एंड आई हैव मेंटेन्ड माई ओल्डर बाइक, 11-year-old Pulsar 180. So that still gives me a decent mileage of 40. So I believe this will also remain same, like as the company claims, 2022. The best part is the suspension. This one is road biased, so it does not have the WP suspension that the XC variant has. That suspension is altogether in a different league. इसमें फिर भी आपको थोड़े से हॉट होल्स फील होंगे. वो तो बटर, एकदम बटर. एटलीस्ट दिल्ली की डेवलप्ड रोड्स पे थोड़ा बहुत गड्ढे वड्ढे जो होते हैं उस पर तो बिल्कुल फील नहीं होता. This one is, I would say, this one does the work 90%. That 110. I haven't got the privilege of test riding the GS as of now. I've heard the adventure bike range में GS is the king. But then BMWs are exuberantly overpriced. I don't know why. This is also costly, but then ठीक है, थोड़ा सा डिस्काउंट मिल गया, थोड़ा सा डाउन पेमेंट हो गया, and I got a decent 800cc engine with cruise control. BMW doesn't offer that in their GS range, the base GS 750 or 700, whatever model it is. And the infamous Delhi traffic at the bypass. Once again, if there is anything that puts me off on Delhi roads, it's when you hit a traffic as big as this on a bike. The only problem that I have faced with this bike, the only problem is heat management. They do not have a good heat management. I mean, in winters, my god, that hot air is a boon in winters. टांगे बच जाती हैं. The legs, they get enough hot air to warm themselves. But in summers, mutton kebab or mutton tangdis. These bikes are a good attention grabber. Thank God I did not go for Hayabusa or something like that. I mean, I had the option to go for Ninja 1000. That was cheaper than this bike, believe me. Inline 4000cc, super sport, 142 bhp. In any ways is super. This is only 95, but believe me, when these bikes go, they go mental. I believe Bullet has enough speed for Delhi roads, and these are हाँ जी, तो लोकेशन मिल चुकी है, काफी दूर है. The system is showing me that I'll take about 35 minutes, 33. Let's see. I trust Google 99%, क्योंकि 1% Yeah, I know. 99% they are good, and 1% कभी-कभी उनसे भी गलती हो जाती है. Nothing is perfect in this world. Yeah, so now the range has increased to 192. So the Google auntie tells me that I should reach my destination by 3:10 p.m. Sounds good. उनसे वैसे भी 2-3 बजे तक मिलने का मैंने बोला था. Unless the first 500 kilometers are done, I can't increase more than 5,000 RPM. I can go beyond that. So, but ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ती, because 5,000 RPM से पहले ही bike reaches 100. So that's pretty good enough for me. If only people could learn how to ride, how to drive in lanes, believe me, it would be such a better place. ओवरटेकिंग प्रोहिबिटेड। दिल्ली सरकार, रहने दो। दिल्ली सरकार ने अपने कितने भाषण ओवरटेक करे उनको खुद भी याद नहीं होगा। Anyways, let's just not spoil this with the muck of politics. This is a good moment, I am enjoying it. This is a good ride, I am enjoying it. I wish to meet, I've already met JS Films at DBF. I've met Sandeep Gajjar of XBHP at DBF. Such a nice and humble guy. I did not believe my eyes when I met him. He did not know me, obviously. I would know him because I've been following him since the day his website was just one page. I have been following XBHP since then. The time when he had a different haircut, when there was no beard, no mustache. I've been following him since then. Such a humble guy, and he spoke with me in a way that he knew me. I don't know. That's how he is. That's how I would want to be. I met JSM there. It was not much of a meeting, just a hi and a handshake, because he came and I was leaving, so it was good. I wish to meet the riders all over the country, especially Murtaza Junaid. What a guy. What a guy. Obviously, Nikhil and Devu. One world, one ride. Everybody should follow that channel. They should follow Art of Motorcycles. They should follow, I'm talking about riders. Riders. Please don't take it in some other direction. There is a reason I'm telling you. Everybody should follow One World, One Ride and Art of Motorcycles. You will learn so much from these two channels. So much. Nikhil, yes, he initially started from motovlogging, but then he has moved on to a different genre. अरे भैया गर्मी लग गई। कहाँ जाऊं, किसे सुनाऊं? वाट लगा दी भाई साहब गर्मी ने। दूसरी गाड़ियों से दूर भी खड़ी रखनी पड़ती है। अरे रे। Someday I also wish to ride with Sandeep Gajjar from XPSC. I mean, उस अकेले बंदे ने बाइकिंग कल्चर को इंडिया में जहां पहुंचा दिया ना, nobody did that. I know people who he got inspired from, but उस बंदे ने जितनी मेहनत करी है, and my God, अगर एक लेवल आज की डेट में पहुंचा है इंडिया में बाइकिंग का, सुपर बाइकिंग का, संदीप गज्जर, ऑल बिकॉज ऑफ हिम। एंड इतना कुछ करने के बाद भी जीरो, जिसे बोलते हैं ना, ईगो, जीरो ईगो। There is one more thing which I want to know from you guys. Is Tiger facing any issues in India? I mean, Nikhil said that they are. As per him, a lot of Tiger owners are facing issues with Tigers. Are they? वैसे आई वुड लव टू सी दी ओल्ड स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ दिल्ली. ये फोर्ट जिस तरीके से इन्होंने बनाया था, आई एम प्रीटी श्योर ये रोड तो नहीं थी. दिस वुड हैव बीन बैरन ओपन लैंड. अभी सामने की नदी दिखे. पुराना स्ट्रक्चर क्या होता होगा? If anybody has any idea how Delhi used to look, where I can find those pictures, National Archives or any place like that, please let me know. I would love to visit and make a vlog about it. I'm pretty sure ये bridges तो थे नहीं. So this was something like open river end, जो कि अब सूख गया है apparently. All right, bhai bandhu. Well, my meetup with Deepak sir finished, and I am on my way back to home. Well, this is a good chance for me to record in the evening, so that I can test the low light capability of my SJ6 Legend. I saw a video on YouTube that showed a person comparing SJ6 Legend and SJ7. Both can shoot 4K during daytime, but somehow SJ6 Legend had a clear recording of the night time. SJ7 was not that clear, and that made me choose SJ6. अभी कुछ दिन पहले आप लोगों को एक बैंगलोर के एक इंसिडेंट की न्यूज़ पता लगी होगी. अरे बाप रे, टेम्पो को रोका, मुझे लगा मेरे को धर लिया. अरे यार, बड़े शक्ल से डरावने लगते हैं यार ये लोग. सो अभी कुछ दिन पहले आप लोगों को बेंगलोर के एक इंसिडेंट के बारे में पता लगा होगा. राइडर्स रिपब्लिक ग्रुप के लोगों को गांव वालों ने हरास किया था बिकॉज एक RC 390 पे एक राइडर था. आई डोंट नो वेदर ही वाज राइडिंग रैशली और इट वाज द मिस्टेक ऑफ द चाइल्ड दैट केम इन फ्रंट ऑफ हिम एंड गॉट हिट. सुनने में आया था that 11-year-old girl died, but today I found that girl is alive. Thank goodness she is alive. And उस टाइम पे हबड़ा तबड़ी में जो भी खबर फैली, whatever was there, the girl is alive. And 7-8 लड़के थे जिन्होंने वो सारा mess create किया था कि एक ने मारा तो सारे के सारे culprits हैं. 7 or 8 boys of them have been reprimanded, arrested, and hopefully tomorrow, that is Sunday, आपको न्यूज़ पता लग जाएगी. Somebody from the group will come out with the explanation what happened and what is the reality and what happens now. उन लोगों के साथ I mean यार, ऐसे जो रोड पे दिखने वाले चोमू होते हैं ना, इनकी वजह से बाइकर्स बदनाम है. आई एम प्रीटी श्योर 90% ऑफ द पीपल हु आर राइडिंग बाइक्स, दे राइड सेंसिबली, स्पेशली ऑन हाईवेज एंड स्पेशली दोज सुपर बाइकर्स. यार 18-20 लाख रुपए की बाइक लेके कोई बंदा रैशली चलाएगा, वो अलग ही कैटेगरी के चोमू होते हैं, तो ये सब काम करते हैं. Believe me, a rider on a touring bike, he will not do this madness. Yeah, anyways, so they will come out with the explanation by tomorrow, hopefully, and the culprits have been nabbed, they are arrested, and hopefully something positive will come out of it. I am just glad that the girl is alive, man. That 11-year-old girl was alive. That is the best thing that came out of this whole mess of a news. I'm so glad. Children should not be hurt. They just don't. साला सुबह भी इतना ही स्मूथ मिलता तो क्या चला जाता यार तुम लोगों का, दिल्ली वालों, बेशर्मो। पापड़ बना दिया सुबह मेरा, इतना ट्रैफिक, ये भगवान। इतनी देर वापस आने में नहीं लगी मेरे को जितनी देर ऐसे जाने में लग रही थी। Thing that I got done with my empty helmet was I got the pin lock installed, and it has made such a huge difference that it has changed my vision completely. वो जो भाप जम जाती है कुछ नहीं, एक रबर का सिंपल सा स्टिकर है, बट देन इट हैज मेड टन्स ऑफ डिफरेंस इन द राइडिंग क्वालिटी। पहले बहुत दिक्कत होती थी, जो आईब्रो का एरिया है ऊपर वाला पूरा 1 सेंटीमीटर ऊपर से सारे में भाप जमी होती थी परमानेंटली, वेदर यू राइड योर हेलमेट विद क्लोज वाइजर और अ लिटिल ओपन वाइजर, वो कभी साफ ही नहीं होता था। बट अब जब भाप जमती ही नहीं, गुड। लेट्स सेट द क्रूज कंट्रोल एंड गिव द रेस्ट टू माय राइट हैंड। This is why I bought this bike. This is exactly why I bought this. ये देखो चंडीगढ़ के रियासती बगैर हेलमेट के कसे नहीं। हाँ, कैप्टन अमेरिका बुलेट, नाइस। डंडे का क्या करेगा भाई। कहाँ से उड़ी बाबा, अरे रुक जा चोमू साले। आई नो, पार्ट माई मिस्टेक, बट ये पार्ट तो वैसे भी एडिट हो जाएगा। Alright, so please do subscribe to my channel, please like my video if you like it. If you don't like it, I will not say what to do, and that's about it. Signing off. This is MK Studios. Take care, have a nice day ahead. Bye bye.